Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you join us from and the hour. You are welcome to my life. My name is Prophet David Yahweh, Dr. Chukadibe Awoya, Chukadibe Nyego, Chukadibe and everything. I am the spiritual warrior, the man that have PhD in spirituality. Anything concerning spiritual, healing, deliverance, breaking powers of darkness, destroying the Okite power, and saving mankind from many kingdoms. That is my duty. My duty is to expose evil and to reveal the hidden secret behind marine kingdom, Church of Satan, evil Igbo tradition, mystery behind Mary, mystery behind Mama Water or Samaria or whatever thing. Why you cannot worship those gods, why you have to worship one true God. Please, I want you to give me ear. Gente. I don't want you to pick on offense without understanding what I want to say. I would like you to come down and listen to the wisdom of the Most High God. Because they say my people are perished for lack of knowledge. If it's your first time you're meeting me, or you're part of the people who are looking for my page because all my pages have been hacked, so I would like you to just give me a follow and drop your comment to help this video to go viral, because people, our traditional people are reporting my page, Christianity are reporting my page, occult people are reporting my page, Okite people are reporting my page, fake pastors are reporting my page. Why? Because of what I'm saying. This is not a church, this is a solution ground. Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue is not church, it's a spiritual solution ground where every spiritual problem got solution and physical, where we get undiluted word of God. That's why it's called Prophet David Yahweh Zion of Truth. So follow the page. You can also follow me on YouTube to watch some of my old teachings and some of the teaching that cannot come on this Facebook. I greet you, my brother, Chiweba. God bless you. Yes, Shumba said, great prophet. God bless you. Everything I have said from the day you started following me, all the teachings, all the prophecies, is it anything that I said that didn't come to pass? Today I want to dabble in Enugu State because we have been talking about Anambra State, Akwa Keko, Mirenwilo, Ekehit, name them. Then Enugu State is start feeling like they're saying. There's a time I mentioned some mystery about Enugu State, and some people like Ezeaku, one guy started calling on from making videos. Let me tell you, Enugu is more dangerous, dubious, idol worshiper than any place in Anambra, in Igbo land. When they talk about idol worshippers, they are the number one. When they talk about Togu, they are the number one. When they talk about mysteries, they are number one. But you will not believe. But I'm gonna be reviewing so many things. Things I've known by myself before I will even start talking about Okite. There's some things I know about Enugu State. I told you the day I enter Enugu State, that one spirit that ran away, they called Enugu. I will still address it to Ezeaku. Then I'm gonna be unveiling some mystery on this program. The topic of this program is about a pastor who killed 4 little children. He's a ritualist. It's not a pastor. It's not a prophet. These are people that we are talking. When we talk, you say, where do we belong? Any man who chooses to expose Christianity, who does not expose evil men, and I say evil, you are not here to help in the but you only try to protect your business. Any pastor who only expose native doctors and Ezenwanyi, you don't expose pastors. You're not here to save anybody. You're just trying to protect your business. You do more evil than anything. So because you can't tell me you're a pastor, and when you see your pastor doing evil, he will not talk about it. If you go on the internet and find out people like Mathias have never spoken against all those evil happening in Enugu State. People like many name them, Ifedinana, those are who they talk say they want to come to Anambra State and protest for this. They want to protest where we want to stop the evil in Anambra State, but they're not protesting when they're stopping the evil, the killings in the Enugu State. Haven't you seen that Mathias is more evil than what you think? Haven't you seen that those are always teaching you about Omenana, they are more evil. Because when they come to their own side, they won't talk about it. They only talk about their benefits. Start knowing what I'm saying. My name is Prophet David Yahweh, Dr. Chukadibia, the spiritual world. Why I mention those names is go and follow them, go to their page and see. Since the day we find out that Ezenwanyi is the medium, that day we found out that he had killed a lot of people for ritual. That is the day Mathias stopped to come online. I said the one he came yesterday. He fell sick. We prayed for him. Now he's back. He come back. So Mathias, come and tell us. This your brother called the medium, who killed almost 100 people for ritual. He said there's nothing about ritual. This is my agreement and you. I said I'm not like spiritual attack, not like witchcraft, not like spiritual healing. Who is fearing who? So all the people who have been supporting, saying nothing like spirituality, what is this in the medium? Why are they killing those people? Are they eating the meat? Or are they using the blood to wash hand? Or are they drinking their blood? Why are they killing those people? So if we should answer this, they are all for money relation. You know, I told you, I started making movie 1990 something. My movie is more of like evangelism. Like the one I'm doing now, Save My Baby. Save My Baby is a true life story. All the movie I make, they are true life story. Go and watch. Most of them are occultic movies. Yes, because I started my ministry 1980 something. So this is my 35 years in ministry, in spirituality. So we're the first Sabbath church in Enugu. So go and do research. Zion is here, answer now. This Zion started 1988 with my brother. My brother died because of one mistake he made. So I'm going to review so many things. And just the purpose of me, my calling is not about to gather them people to deceive them or to have bigger church. My assignment is more important than any prophet or any reverend father or any arranged prophet that you think you have crowd, because you cannot do what I do. What I do is the highest of the order, of which nobody refuses to do. That's why I am the prophet that carry 1.16 million angels. Please, I would like you to share this telecast. Share it to 7 people. Share it to save our land. Share it to save us from evil, and share it to know the true tradition and true way of worship the Chukwu Okoke. God bless you. Let me pray this my song to entertain you. Follow me on my YouTube, Prophet David Yahweh Zion of Truth TV. Then my company YouTube is called A to Z Best Nollywood TV. A to Z Best Nollywood TV. You watch my movie like End of Money. If about to have a socket, I will tell the story of politicians. You watch Display Billionaire, the man that turned to snake that used to eat. Once he sleep with you as a woman, you eat your intestine. You watch like Jadon. Jadon is an occultic movie too. There's a lot of occultic movie I'm done. So you go and watch Titanic Tozu. You go and watch those movies that in the A to Z Best Nollywood TV. So it's on YouTube. So you go and watch some of my movies. I'm going to be uploading my movies there. So I'm going to be making some short films and some long movies just to educate people, because many of the things I used to say, they are real life stories. So I'm going to be reviewing those mystery concerning Mary, concerning those things I used to say that make you to hate me. Just relax. I only want you to watch and comment. Don't argue. No fight. We are finished fighting with you. So now it's to unmask the hidden mysteries. So God bless. I'm going to be teaching about marriage too. So but I will take it one bit so you will not be confusion. So now we're talking about Save My Baby from Okite Rishwa. Okite Rishwa can be a pastor of Okite, killing human being. Okite Rishwa can be a native doctor, killing human being. Like we have a pastor for Okite, we have a level, we have a native doctor from Okite. Let's go back to root. So that's it. So as your job for Buddha, so we must advocate and stop this. This thing, I have spent millions, I have spent my life, I have spent everything, I have wasted my money, I lost my page because of this gospel, and we're not going back. So we are victory already. So I want to appreciate all my sons and daughters, my partner, those who saw the need to support this movement to 7 people. You can see now the whole world is sharing the truth. So please, can't you help me to share? We're here to celebrate. I'm celebrating myself. I'm also celebrating all the partners, my fans, those who have been sharing and supporting, and all the bloggers who have been sharing. May Almighty God bless you. So let me pray this song to entertain you. It's called Anambra, Light of the Nation.
Umokoro na mogombe atunu wanike obu mmadu nike gana nike ndo meko mekini na pa na nkitio ndo iti bubo. Feke dibia Ezenwanyi. Dr. Chukwu kendi benu. Because of Banyo. Anambra light of the nation. Asibu Begachi. Amambuna 2022. Omezona 2025. Aba mumo feke dibia na aga boss. All the Yahweh Chukwu kadibia. It's a music production. Zion City of David. We are the Zionite. Prophet David, Yahweh, Chukwu gọziri nna Anambra were wetala gọva Sorudo gachiri onye ọzọ Anambra nwekwanụ ndị Igbo ji abanụ mbanwe Anambra nwekwanụ ndị odegwu ndị uchere Amerika London tụrụ ugo natanụ Prince Otto Ezeaku Inosi moto degwu Lowizaza Cheko Mande Yama Kobe Kumana Imoni Kasi Wanemo Nanambara Jini Emenonwe Yama Karabilo Wane Fremana Bania APCL Frenanio Bishop Nazovoro Kedu maka pitobio Kedu maka okada gidio Bite doche ndibo Chineme nonwe Ochari sandi beto Ochokwi kembandi newi China banu banu Si mari grupu Yapumu Makimeko funwe Oga ndi oga Hakuna chamba mwana mochuku zawadiyo Hakuna chibo tigo Nekwani zawao Imenu mana mwende na Jesus Nachino Hakuna chamba Hakuna chibo Udoga chino Chukwu kadiga asị na arụkwa afọ na ụbụrụ omenala ka na-emezi na ọbụkwa na omenelu oke ito sokwa na omenala ibubo so na omenala igbu nne gị gbụ nne gị so na omenala iwere obere mmasị ya n'igbo so na omenala asị na arụkwa afọ nwanne ya abụghị omenala a na-eme na omenelu ka a na-eme na ndị Igbo nwanne m wepụrụ aka enwe n'ofe Mbaka na aga ọzọ nwanne m mana ọzọ ga-anarịrị oji ụfọdụ na nwanne na anyị jikwa n'ogo na anyị ji n'ụfọdụ Anambra Prọfet David Yahweh ajọji ọfụ nwanụ Chukwu ka dibịa Chukwu makwana onye ji ọfọ makwana onye ji ya anyị bụkwa na ụmụ Chukwu okike na-enye bụ ọgwụgwụ arụsị ụmụ Chukwu okike anyị bụkwa na ụmụ Izrel nwanne m udo gachilo ụmụ okoro na amụghị obe ogbu mmadụ n'ike ndị omeko omekidi nakwa ndị oke iti bụ ugbo ụmụ ofeke dibịa Ezenwanyi Dr. Chukwu kedibenu Prọfet David Yahweh onye amụma nna na mbara ji na-abalị ikele agụ na-eche mba agụ na-eche Igbo udo ga-achị nọ Chukwu ga-adịga agụ na-eche mba obi ka anyị ga-echete ọ gịnị ka mere gị gwanụ m ihe mere gị ọ bụ gịnị ka mere gị ndị amoosu ọ bụ gịnị ka mere gị ndị oke ite ọ bụ gịnị ka mere ndị Ezenwanyi iwere asị gị ga-eche n'izu obi ka gị ga-echete
It's learning. God bless you. This learn. I don't know how the audio will look like, So God bless everyone. Welcome to my life, Prophet David Yahweh Kadibia. We'll have picture of Mbaka here. Reason why we'll have picture of Mbaka here is this. We claim that we are Christian. I intend to claim na ebundoka. Kezindo na agokite. I intend to claim na ebundoka man Catholic. Kezindo na Ezenwanyi. What I just carry one boy, one man that went to Echuada with Ezenwanyi in Enugu State. You know, when we tell you all those things, water can get angry because there's a forces in the water. Spirit of God is in the water. Spirit of Mama Water is in the water. Demons are in the water. Different spirits operate in the water. So it depends on the mood. That's why if you're not called to do this, don't dare. If you're not called, don't dare. Some want to be a prophet. You're not called to be a prophet. You want to be a prophet. You go and be collecting killing human being. You go and be collecting juju from native doctor. You go and be collecting powers from different sources. At the end of the day, your end will be missed. That's why I tell you, you go borrow leg, water go carry you. If we tell you, okay, have you seen any pastor who exposed kingdom like me? He can't even see. Either the pastor will expose native doctor, or he will never expose pastors. But I am the only prophet who can vow, I don't belong to occults, I don't watch Mama Water, I don't have idol, I don't pray to any other god, I don't associate myself with occultic or white prophet or whatever thing. I don't wear ring. Why? Because I know what I stand for. The only thing they can talk, I don't have money, good and fine. I don't have crowd, good and fine. But I have helped billions of people, more than you that have crowd. Because in the sense that people go to church every day, okay, it is rising. What are they learning from there? Mbaka is Mathias' boy. Mathias is Mbaka's son. How come Mbaka could not convert Mathias? He now begin to do Omena na Ezeaku. Answer me. There is error. How come Roman Catholic could not convert Milenwilo or name Samare? If you claim that Mary is more than powerful than anything, those get it. I'll make many teachings, but you know why they hack my page? Because of I've exposed a deep secret. So if you love what I'm doing, you must support this because it's not easy. I nearly give up, but sometimes I'll say because of the few people that love what I'm doing, I'll come because it's not easy. You'll be calling me names. Let me get the bad names. Let me the insult. Let me the buy data. Let me they spend my time. Let me they one kill. Let me they send attack. What is your contribution to make sure this exposition, even if you think we have never done something, without me, you will not know that okay, and kill somebody. Without me, you're not going to say Mary is not Satan. That's why I'm here to challenge you. If you say Mary is not Satan, there is this house more than 100 million. It's like, come and prove to us that Mary is not a Satan. Whether you're a Reverend Father, whether you're a Zionite, whether you're this one, whether anything you believe, come and prove to us. We'll give you the house. If I can, as long as you sign and provide your own 100 million, but sign if you prove that Mary is not Satan. So when I preach, I know what I preach. I not just preach, I'm preaching by liberation. Because even sometimes I'll say I will not talk again. But if I don't talk, people will keep on dying. Yeah, but that's why I say, I rejected America because of this. I rejected the UK, I rejected many countries. I rejected billions from occultic kingdom. So, if immigration officer that can catch Ezan promising 10 million, then the security man in the Ezeaku say they promising 10 million, and you believe. Then what about me that conquer demons? That said demon came down and promised me billion. There's the people that live on the world. And I rejected it. That's why I can speak what I'm speaking. The only thing they do is just I will passing through this stream. You think I don't have member, I don't have crowd. But if you think a prophet like me who have HIV, cancer, American, he may deliver millions of people online. I don't have money. You're a fool to think money is my problem. You're a fool to think money because even small prophet who cannot perform miracle make money. Yes. Even small prophet who cannot perform one miracle make money. Can't be person who say, I don't heal millions of people online. When you know say online is where I can do last LNG. That's why people cannot do what I'm doing. They will call it fake. You cannot do what I'm doing, and you call me fake. How am I fake? You that is fake economy. That's why I get angry with you because you're fake. As long as you pray to status, it's against Bible. Even if you claim you know all the God, everything, it's against Bible. This is Bible backup. He can't go against the word of God. Like Mbaka now, you see the little girl that served in Enugu State. He said, because he's wearing chaplet. Which chaplet? Chaplet that are born 2020, that a little girl was wearing, made the search lead the woman, the girl to die. That they will give me $1 billion. I reject. Or fought, they say they're going to destroy my ministry. So what I'm passing through, I know what I'm passing through. I know what I'm saying. What I'm saying, nobody has preached in the history of the world. In the whole world, nobody has preached it. Bring the person. Bring the person. Who exposed? I'll give you 10 million. Bring person where don't preach what I preach. You can't. Because you're looking for member, you're looking for money. Who will give you money? The same people that will give you money is people that is going to castigate. People want to go to church where nobody will expose them. That's why I see in Mbaka church now, 80% of people that are there, they are occultic people. They are 419ers. They are witches and wizards. That's why they take no power. Yes. Because all those people that in Ezeaku, I've been to Ezeaku now. My woman is from Ezeaku. So all those people, when we get to Ezeaku, I'll find out that all the whole family, they have their own idol worship. And all of them go to church. So they see church as a trend. You go to church on Sunday. We have our own ancestors. We have our own idols. So that's it. It's a culture. That's why you see, my father is an Anglican, he's a Catholic. They still do tradition. They go to this thing. But they don't kill human beings. But the people of this our days now, they are now killing human beings. That is why we're coming. How can a pastor, you call yourself a man of God? So when we talk about those things, you say, where do we belong? People like Ezeaku, they will come and what do you know about Mary? If we talk about Mary, what do you know about Mary? Can you challenge Mary? Can you stand and challenge it? Come out openly, put the challenge. I've been saying this thing for more than 5 years. Come out, you will take this house. I'm a poor man, but I think I have bought something that worth millions. Yes, if you think so. If you think that's happen, I know that in your life you may not buy such house till you die. So there's this opportunity for you to have the house. It's a very big deal for you. Prove to us that Mary is not set up. You know more than us. You have all the things. Come on. Why do you think they are silent to it? They are silent. Try to talk about another thing about Roman Catholic. You see the way they will bounce on you. You see the way they will bounce on you. You thought they don't know what I'm saying. They know. These are the things that if you say, instead for you to be happy, because you have been brainwashed. They make us, they call us Antichrist. That's what they become. He's Antichrist. He's a occultic man. He's a native doctor. Anyone that collect money is native doctor. Anyone that got water is native doctor. You that are worshiping Satan, you're not native doctor. You that are doing arranging miracle, you're not native doctor. You that are selling water to people, you're not native doctor. You that are selling oil, you're not native. You that are selling your picture to people, God will punish you. Who is fooling who? You will believe. Just for you to believe. So you see all the other ones as fake, as him as real. Why do you think he's preaching that? Because I preach that Mary is set up. And that's the key. They don't want you to know. So they label me evil, Antichrist, native doctor. So you will not see me. Okay. Have you seen any native doctor start exposing native doctor before? If it's not me, we will not even talk about Akwak. Just that I was saying it, they know it's obvious that killing human beings are exposing those things. So when they find, instead for him to implicate himself, he joined to say, Media Widow too is more evil than Okite. It's not Igbo tradition. Okay, not be water carry somebody now. Not because there's a buruma, no more mili buruma now. Why the more mili no bring the person come out? That is it. The same thing. Somebody the same, they are all the same. These are goddess. They eat human being. They take one broad. If they get angry, they can eat the whole. Why do you think Satan are me? What do you know? Somebody look at your name from foreign god and I say, God punish you. How can when they worship other gods come they teach us Igbo men in again? That thing come out for challenge. Come and tell us how Samaritan become Igbo tradition. That's the first thing. It must prove to us. How did the Samaritan become Igbo tradition? Is it not foreign god? These are foreign angels. The same Samari you worship, the same 1 million the gay that went to different names, they are the same God, goddess. That's why they say, oh, you know, 1 million or maybe the same thing. Go and do it. I don't preach something that tomorrow you'll find out. If you find what I preach, you know me that is not truth. Bring it out. Prove to me. Prove me wrong that mommy water does not kill people. Mommy water is more dangerous than anything. If you don't know it. Run for your life. Mommy water is more dangerous. In the tell who know about mommy water. Mommy water begin to kill people in your family, no solution. Before, which pastor can deliver you from mommy water? After God, na mommy water is even more brutal than God. So, which pastor that have that power that can deliver you from mommy water? That's why people say, every time, spiritual husband, he can't deliver from mommy water because you don't have, before you can deliver yourself, you must have angels. That's why I am the only one that can challenge mommy water and overcome him. If you don't have nothing in that realm, you go mommy water. Mommy water bo okite. Mommy water is more powerful than okite. Yes. Mommy water is more dangerous, more powerful than okite. If you bring mommy water into covenant, my God, your own don't finish. Because even your own children, the thing will start manifesting. You know, you go to mommy water. Tomorrow you start making it go. If that's why you see Obanja girl, if you man Obanja girl, it can give you luck. But when the girl gets angry, everything you have, it can become poor for life. No solution. You know, be so no say those things they give money. No be so no say many they give money. Many they give money. Many can heal you. Many can give you prophecy. But it's not God. This is what I want you to understand. Somebody can give you money. It's not somebody is not even popular. What about Habakkuk? Habakkuk is not more popular than somebody. Somebody is only on internet. Habakkuk does not need advert. Habakkuk is the ancient deities na Anambra, which Ndocha Buru Ubuseha. So which power could you Buseha Bushata Dallas back? Oh, Habakkuk me paradike. More than say you carry idol travel. You come bring them back. Now I do. I'm water. Not be God. Now water. So don't come and think you don't know history. I am a Akajo for Chukwan of Igbo land. So you don't come and tell me no native doctor can challenge me in the whole world. No, this forget. Do you think they have not challenged all the Ezenwanyi? Because when I was hitting Aqua, I'm fighting against them. That's why nobody can talk when I'm talking. See, let me tell you, I've challenged Roman Catholic to the highest level. Which if you try, they will kill you. I've challenged native doctors to the highest level. If you try, they will kill you. I've challenged witches and wizards occultic to the highest level. So even if you think I don't have power, you should know that there's something behind me. Stop fooling yourself. You that you cannot even challenge common witchcraft, you come to my page, you begin to write nonsense. Can you stand? If demon appear to you, can you stand? About 1 arrow or water, can you stand? You thought they don't have power at all before. They have. You can't do here, but monster saying people say there's no power. There's power in the juju, but the power is a small power. But you cannot use idol to compare mommy water. Mommy water is more powerful than idol. But God is the highest. So if you're going to somebody, they can give you money, but know that the implication that will come tomorrow, I will be showing you videos. You know what I want you to do? I want you to be sharing my telecast. I want you to be encouraging me, even if you don't bring money, even if you don't support, just share the telecast so people can watch it. I don't want to make videos. People will not watch the video. No. We have message. We have one message. I'm not coming to preach Jesus Christ to you. I'm not preaching Jesus is coming. I'm preaching the underrooted word of God. Why I came to this world. I am angel on earth with 1.60 million angels to liberate in the Igbo. If you know me, this is what I've been saying since you know me. So God bear me with it. If I have invited for America, many countries, turn it down. Let me not see the light of the day. If I did not reject billion from occultic kingdom, let me not see the light of the day. Let me die before tomorrow. I want to use my own. Now God said, don't swear. But even if you don't swear, in the name of God, swear by the truth. Reason why sometimes I'll say, let me leave you people. Then if I leave you people, that means I have fair. Yes. Forget it not to preach this thing. This is what it cost me and my wife is a strong Roman Catholic. Very strong. I'm coming to that. It's a small Roman Catholic. It's in Mbaka daughter. That's why anytime I preach, that's why I don't see me with my wife. Because of they don't want to cause problem. I say, Madam, please stay one side. This is why I came to preach. And this is what serve you, if not so you for that day. God brought you for me to help you. Then after helping you, you don't want me to help other people. He said, how about you're fighting? And yes, that fight is what will fight for you. More than how many months did I fight your own? Do you know that water carried me and go underground? Central Kingdom, there's people live there on the ground. These are the things that nobody can talk. You can't teach it, you don't know it. This is not about how they fuck your husband, how they fuck your this, that is briefing. What I'm teaching you is mystery to you. That's why people, the knowledge is not knowledge for kids. My preaching not before small babies. This is wisdom from third heaven. Have you heard of the spiritual, the secret of underworld? People live on the ground. They drink human blood. The spirit of underworld, they come out from the world and check. They can come out They can come out now and say you are looking for baby, you're crying for baby, they will enter you. The time we say we are looking for baby, we want to pray, we are looking for baby. The one came and enter one of my daughters. He said he want to enter inside the gate so my wife can born that woman. And when he born it, it's a demon. That's why he said you have born a child that will give you trouble. They came from another world. I will show you a video. If I don't know if I recorded it, but I will show you. Okay, yeah, I think I recorded it a bit. How did I kill that demon? It's a girl. Because I disturbed their kingdom. They now send the girl to come and enter my wife so we can born the baby. What do you know? What do you know? You don't know nothing. What is Antichrist? Do you know Christ? What do you know? You don't know Christ. What you know is a Roman God. They call Jesus. That is the Roman God. That's the Horus. The Mary worship is not even Mary. It's called Marian. That is Isis, Egyptian goddess. Go and do research of Mary. Go and do research who behind the Mary and who behind that picture of worship of Jesus. What is Antichrist? Is the Antichrist? They talk to one small boy. Have you been to Israel before? I've studied Rabbi. I've studied Hebrew. I went to Israel. I stayed some months. I understand so many that I stayed in synagogue. Go and do research. You come back, you will go like, why do you think if I say something to happen? I know tell you so she go get problem. Make you stop, make you come out from Zion. You know get problem. I know tell you say because we go run from God, but you know they run from God. But talk your own and make it happen, make us see. No, give me my own prophecy. Mbaka should give me one. Mbaka should tell me one that will happen to me. Make it happen, make us see. That is how to know prophet. No be by talk in the gaze when they caught you. Show me one I said that. When I told you P2B will win the election and they will rig it. I said it 8 months before the election. It not happen like that. When I tell you that they use human being do a kid, did you believe? Until this one you're saying now. Aqua maybe not be killing somebody, but I know there's a lot of frauds. People about people. I never more than 20,000 people from Okite. No matter Okite say, they slap me. They demand. What do you know? I mean, what I know, how many people that die by Momo water. I'll see addressing me with because you're acting like you're doing no matter. You're not free from what you're not far from what Aqua is doing. It's the same thing. The only thing that your own is different is another format you're using. Your own is just more water, which is that one is there. You are being there. You are being some practice for people now worship idol. But that does not mean that you're a Igbo tradition. You can't tell me you don't want me Jesus, you don't want Mary. That is the same thing. Mary and that your Basama, they are the same thing. They are all fallen angels. You think you talk to baby. Tell us how it come out now. So now your family gets Jesus. Now your family God there. For Igbo land, now your family now get the God. Nobody serve God. The same God of Abraham, Isaac, and Chuku is for everybody, not for one person. Anything that one person worship is not true. This God I worship now is in universe. It's not one person. It's Chuku, is Chuku. Yahweh is Yahweh. All over the whole world is the same. Anything that is different from that is not God. That is nonsense. Chimekwena kikiti n'ime wo. Chimekwena kikiti n'ime wo. Eze chimekwena kikiti n'ime wo papa o. Chimekwena kikiti n'ime wo. Onye na-eme mma anyị na ya gị bịa o. Ike bụ ike mo bịa o. Onye anyị ji aba mba, onye anyị ji akpa ike bịa o. Chimekwena kikiti n'ime wo. I want to greet everybody that's following me. Those are watching on YouTube, God bless you. Those are watching on TikTok, God bless you. If you have not followed me on Facebook, you go to my Facebook, it's Zion, Prophet David Yahweh, Zion of Truth TV. Then TikTok is Prophet David Yahweh Zion. Then YouTube is Prophet David Yahweh Zion of Truth TV. The same way as it is in YouTube. In Facebook. Why I'm saying this is so you follow me. So in case of any of the page drop, you will still join from the other one. So, but this time we're not giving them chance to do what? To hack our page, because there's other pages, backup page. So you have not followed our ministry page, Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue, Lagos. That's our ministry page. So tell us who win the election. So when I talk, I may now go and give it as prophecy in your church. Why would I give you prophecy? Are you Surudo or something? That is not the when the time reach for prophecy, I'll do that one. So that's not what I'm here. I'm talking about the evil you people are doing. Evil, either you belong to occultic. That's why you can come and say you're antichrist. You want to defend your church, or you want to defend your menana. So tell us why pastor will kill somebody. That's why you should be answering me. Tell us why native doctor should kill somebody and use it to do the show. That's why you should be asking me, not telling me. Not tell, I'll block you. If I'm doing program next time, if you like those kind of nonsense, I'll block you. You see the topic I'm talking about there. I'm not talking about politics. What I'm talking about, what is affecting my people? I am a spiritual warlord. I am not a politician. That's why, they see me say they walk up and down. I don't need anything from politics, because once you become the friend of politics, there's something cancelled. So when I want to talk about to read, I will tell you what I want to tell you. That's what you can do. So I don't want to go and take one bribe or something like Ebukobi that went to collect free land. When you now do long thing, will not speak. We're not interested in those things. I am last man standing. A prophet without, we can't compromise. Be you who, be you a politician. We tell you, nothing you can do. There's angels. Anya n'ụwa niile. Marabosha. I want to pray for you this afternoon that you will never encounter evil powers. 99% of church now belong to one thing. 80% belong to Ogbeni. All of them belong to Ogbeni. Why? The Ogbeni is just where they get fame. Freemason. You can't get fame without belonging to those things, because they're the one that control. That's why I see the word order is Pope. Pope is the Antichrist. For you want to go and check the meaning of Antichrist. It's in the Bible there, it's the Pope. Do you know the mystery of Roman Catholic? Roman Catholicism is a movement that started ancient time. They now brought Christianity to control the world. Did I tell you I'm somebody? I say I am a spiritual warlord. That's why when you come to spirituality, you know I'm somebody. So if you have power, come and try me. Yeah, you know I'm somebody. Yes. If you enter where other people enter, that way you know. It's not about coming on Facebook and ranting. I don't rant on Facebook. I they do practical. I they do physical. I they do spiritual. So if you're capable, you can do one, you can make a video. Challenge. Come and prove what I'm saying. You put your own money. Tell me you're a man. Don't come out here like nonsense. See the criteria. You want to prove maybe it's not set up. 100 million. You're a big man. It shouldn't be a problem to you. Then the next one I give, I will bring it, I'll sign. If I prove it, I will take your own. If you prove it, you take my own. So that should be the challenge here. Not telling me that I'm nobody. I'm nobody and you're watching me. That means you're a fool to watch somebody that's nobody. Okay? God bless you. Why will Enugu people be killing people? Killing our people. Killing our people for ration. Pastor killed over how many people? Ndafalaya. Go where a man na where a no mad you need me. Call yourself a pastor. Many pastors doing this. I was watching one now. The guy was saying about a man, a pastor. Even any native doctor that's doing juju for pastor, that native doctor should be arrested, maybe jailed. Yes. Any native doctor that doing juju for pastor, that native doctor should be arrested and jailed. Why will you do a native doctor? You say you want to help in the way, and you're doing juju for pastor to go and be destroying people. That's witchcraft. Because you have no power to do. The only person that gives power is God. Any other power is from Satan. So why will you claim that Christianity want to destroy Igbo tradition, and you claim any Igbo tradition, you know your pastor power? Go on, Madi, go on, men kill menas. Because no power is gotten for free. No power is free. There's a price to pay in every power. Let me see if I can just play one video. There's a price to pay in every power. So no power is gotten for free. Please send me to share the telecast.
And then the secret courts, man past man introduced to is a god. Is this secret court they call Ayakaya? Ayakaya. So he has a lunatic, that man past man. He has many altars. He has many demons. He embraced. He wake up.
What will do fake pastors and prophets in this country? These people are just running rampage on innocent Nigerians. And our government is not doing anything about it. Even fake native doctors, they are working hand to hand with all these fake prophets. Why can't our government do something about this? Every time people go come, say some things that will trigger government to do a proper investigation.
They will not
Look at what happened in Enugu last week. Look at what Soludo has been doing in Anambra State. And many things has been exposed. Why can't our government make this one compulsory? These fake pastors and prophets, they are doing more harm than good. Let's listen to this one. Make it not come be like say we are just talking. Listen to these revelations coming out.
I know, funny enough, they said when they come to their church. That's why he come to their church. They give him 3 million. He come and perform in their church. That's why I don't go for all those nonsense programs. Because it's not the merchandise. All more than invitee. I have more than 2,000 invitee. 2022, 2023, I didn't go anywhere. Because most of them, they bury something in the altar. So they just want to use me. So because I'm preaching against them. So to look at we're together. No. That's why I know God want me. That's why I don't see me all those things. If I want to go for a program, will you stop me? No. But I'm just being selective. So you don't say, oh, the Yahweh go there. This one go there. You can't bring picture with occultic person. You can't bring my picture with occultic pastor. You can't bring. They're ready to pay 5 million. 10 million they can give you. Just make it come and say, I'll be there together. That's why you don't see me all those things. I know what I'm doing. So you that are supposed to share and support, what are you doing to make sure this gospel is being preached? Please share. There's an account number that support the Salaka. If in case God touch your heart, you want to support, not by force. I don't force anybody to do anything. The account number is there. They want me to, you have a spiritual problem, they want me to do prayer for you. I'm not pastor, I'm a prophet. So if you're coming from me, know that there's the things you need to do because this is your problem, it cannot be solved anywhere. That's you want us to solve the problem, you have to be a partner. Partner is free, but you pay for Salaka. That is my standard. So if you don't want it, go to your church. Don't come and say asking you for money. This is the standard. That's how God told me to operate. I don't do church. Most of the program I do is free. So it's only the partners that are sponsoring it. So if you want me to solve your problem, it must be a partner. If you also go to your church, because I know that after solving your problem, you may not even want to continue. So, but let him be. But make sure you must give your testimony. If you don't say no, give testimony. But your Salaka money, keep it. I don't want it, because you must be proud of the God that helped you. So I think I've said what I want to say. The girl that take our brother to water to go and do sacrifice, that maybe the God is not with her. Everyone want to be. Maybe you don't go sleep with somebody. You know water is very angry. Maybe that man may have sleep with somebody. You don't know the price we pay. To be a spiritual man is not joke. If you want to go to water, what I want to go and do, water is holy something. Know this. If you want to go and swim inside water, don't sleep with a woman. Some people go to water and sleeping with a woman. You decrease. You go to that beach of Lagos and having sex there. Do you know how many demons that is there? Do you know how many spirits that is moving there? Do you know that this you go and be tomorrow you start having problem? Don't try it. If you go to water to swim, just swim. Don't go and be sexing woman inside. We can do it in pool, but don't do it in this ocean. People go to ocean and be having sex inside it. Yeah, that time is the only time you can pursue girl. Do you know the girl came out from the water? Tomorrow your business will stop working. Your marriage will stop working. You begin to look for prayer house. You don't say, it says a snake, they collect your spam. Everything about you will close. You know. So these are the things. See, water is water is good and bad. Very dangerous something. If you don't know it. You want to go and do in try. You don't know that Soludo saves you people. Now somebody have gone to Enugu State to go, make you go do spiritual sacrifice. Water carry the man. Do you know if that is why I might have done, maybe it's in menstruation, or might have done something, or the water got angry, or maybe the two of them don't say self. Yeah, and the man, if he don't sleep before they come the water will carry one person. Things say water now, where you go, they do nonsense. Water now, holy something. That's why, if I want to swim with you, no go to water. Because I know you drink water, you bath water. That's why I told you, because you go to water. If you say you're a virgin, come and drink the water. You learn. That's what water will carry you. Yeah, but you see, forget the highest power on this earth is water. I know the mystery of water. So you know, if you tell me, and I go to water, yes, I go to water. Water is God. Satan also go inside house. Inside church, when I talk say on a day, that one they go water. No, you know they go water. But he bury more than 4 people in his altar. Does he go to water? No. But he have hidden water inside his house. You see them? You see them? And then talk about that person they go to water, but they have secret water inside his house. You see, because we don't get anywhere with it. We don't hide anything. We don't hide anything. I brought lamb, I threw it to God. I want you to see. This is ancient practice. The time God say, Abraham, come and sacrifice my son to you, Abraham, come and sacrifice Isaac. When he gave there to sacrifice Isaac, God told him, no, you can't sacrifice ram. That's why they will come, and when they write Bible finish, they use Jesus Christ to manipulate the whole thing. Before Jesus Christ come, there is no miracle. Moses not perform miracle. They say the greatest prophet is Moses. Moses not deliver. Moses not conquer Pharaoh. Elijah not perform miracle. It's not always Jesus that do miracle. People have been doing miracle before Jesus. Miracle does not belong to Yahweh. That's what Jesus said. What I see my Father do, I do. If you ask him the time, he say he does not know the time and the hour. But what I see my Father do, I do. So that will mean all the things will perform now. It's what I've been reviewed. I've said people with pantry. Pantry I've used to save many millions of people. It may use it, it may not work for you, but that's what how God revealed to me. You see somebody where even if he join all those things that he used to do the ogu. If you don't have the gift, it may not work because it's a spirit. Yes. That's why if I pray for a person, the person God will answer because that's an assignment. It's an assignment. So the native doctor too is working for Satan. You can God, the Satan can answer him or her. That doesn't mean it's God. So how are you there? TikTok. I can see you. God bless you. Mbaka pass you. How did Mbaka pass me? How he passed me? Because he's a sick crowd there. You think Mbaka can do what I can do? Let Mbaka stand on his own. Let him come out for the Makati and preach against evil. Let us see. What you do know what is called somebody stand on his own and do something. You think it's easy? No, Mathias now don't run. I was saying Mathias hide under women. This what I'm doing is almost is a new movement. Gospel of Truth entire prophetic movement. It's on its own. It's not like Sabbath. It's not that we are keeping Sabbath. I don't do like Sabbath people. It's not the way they are doing. I'm doing. This is a new movement. It's a solution grant. If you think the hardest thing to do is to start something from scratch. That's it. But because of God want me say, because even on Sabbath, there's a lot of Sabbath people that are doing evil. There's a lot of Pentecostal people that are doing evil. So God will say, I'm going to make a name through you. My name is Yahweh. Go into the world. The world will know. Don't associate with anybody. Don't let them know that I am the one that called you, that sent you. I will prove it to the world by the miracle, by the sign, by the power. That's why we never lost battle. All the battle we fought, we didn't lose anyone. So God bless you. Mbaka is on his own. Me and Mbaka don't worship the same God. We worship him. That thing Mbaka carry up is called Sun God. That is why I see that white sun. It's not sun that you're seeing there. This is not God now. This is Sun God. Go and go it. All this thing came out from Egypt. Where the Vatican City is starting is where they have different idols. About Vatican City now, it's all different idols. The chief priest of Vatican, Romans, I can turn not to Pope. That is the chief priest. And that is the meaning of Pope. They package it. The Pope is inside Bible. Is anyone that's Pope inside Bible? Is anyone that Bishop inside Bible? I'm not inside Bible. But this is the one they formed by themselves to control the world. You don't know you're a slave, you're being brainwashed. You're waiting for Jesus to come. You know that He's coming inside you as spiritual people. Yes. Even if Jesus is coming, it's not that one that is coming. That's why Hebrew people don't believe in that one. They were still waiting for the Messiah that will come. So Romans hijack that one that they say he came and give us fake. That's why New Testament are more condited, more manipulated than the New Testament, just to manipulate mankind. Old Testament, they told you can marry many wives. Because God say, go into the world and promise and do what? That's why some people can marry like. So they say, marry, don't fornicate. God is against for you fornication, but you can do marriage. Abraham, they marry many. So more marry many. He did not say no. David don't marry. So, but God is against sin, immorality, fornication. It's not against you marrying like 2 or 3 wives, no. All these are romance, manipulation to control the world. That's it. God knows say make priest no marry. After all, Moses marry. But when the time for war, Moses not carry wife to go war. He see all the woman. That's why I say when I'm fighting. Because woman, if you say, they will kill you, don't fight, don't fight. Hey, now Mbaka they call, Mbaka na powerful man of God. Hey, they print you. I said, madam, please go one side first. This is a battle. This is why I came. So that time you don't listen to woman. That's why I don't have. Why would I be staying with woman when there's a war? I'm a warlord. So once I see my woman, what for? Abraham, Moses, how many times does he stay with your wife? When you want to go for war, think man may say your wife should go back and stay with his father-in-law. He now went to war. Went to collect 10 commandments. So all these are things, it means something. We can't be fighting all those battles. Okay, I see my wife. I don't show her a picture. I don't see my wife. She's a virgin. The best woman I ate because my woman is very nice, a very strong woman for prayer. So I like her because she pray a lot. And God now give me that woman. So that she give me trouble. The only trouble she they give me is because what I'm saying, she they feel say may they not kill me, may they not kill me. That's why they didn't get problem. If they vex, they cry, say, why they go kill you, they go kill you. If I listen to her, I may not expose a kid. Do you know how many people are coming in my family? They will kill you. You say, are you the only person in Nigeria? Why will you be the one to fight them? Are you the only person in Nigeria? Why will you be the one to talk? If they don't get a mountain of fire, they don't get this one. And that's what they tell me. I have my seniors, the one who has seen it. I saw he cry. Say, you go die, this one. I said, don't worry. Now, the same, my sister said me, say, all the people there fight, all of them don't get problem. He was telling me last week. Okay, Passover. That's why don't give up. Stand firm. Stand what? Firm. Don't be a coward. Stand on the truth. Truth is bitter, but the world will hurt you, but you will overcome. I want you to learn one thing with me. If you're fighting with anybody, don't give up. Don't run for the fight. Don't fear. You won't see fear. The spirit of the person will overcome you. And once one don't overcome you, other ones will be overcoming you. That's it. Spirit of conqueror. I am the David that King Goliath. So no matter how million you are, we're not afraid. We'll mash you. We will talk about things. The only thing you can do, people may run away because I have many followers. Most of them run away, thought I'm going to die. And they don't want to have problems. All of them lie. I didn't bring them. That's why the Bible says, trust nobody. Trust nobody. Even your wife. My wife said, time reach for war, she have to borrow leg. Everybody borrow leg. It's only me. Sons and daughters borrow leg. But me, I know. Now me, they see what God tell me. Now me know what God send me. So if I leave it, I affirm my own duty. That's my field. At least we'll be able to serve in the by reviewing some mysteries. Okite. I am the liberator of Ndibo from Okite. I am the Christianity now. People are seeing the evil. This I'm saying. It's happening now. It's happening now. You see, I will see that pastor church of Satan. How is it now? Church that you bury human being, are you not church of Satan? Church that you bury human being in your church, are you not church of Satan? No, answer. That's what I will preach. You say we don't have member. Who tell you don't have member? Are you not the members? So you want us to go and kill human beings so people can gather. We'll go and manipulate them. That way it will cry for us. We're not interested in that. God said the word will reject you. So that word that rejecting us is what makes God happy because we stand on the truth. Truth is not easy to speak. So thank you very much. I'm going to be stopping here. So see you people later. I'm going to do another program in the evening by 6 o'clock. God bless you. Shalom.